let's start by hacking into this open web analytics thing. I'm unsure this is web analytics powered by open web analytics. So maybe we need to find out what kind of version is running, etc., etc. So we have to bypass another login interface. I mean, if we know an email address, again, we can request a new password, but we don't know. Okay, wait, this is an interesting thing up here. Holy crap, what's this all? Maybe we can like pause this stuff? I mean, I don't know. Probably not. So let's first of all inspect this website. Maybe we find some information here. Okay, so it looks like we have version 173 according to this JavaScript file, right? So let's grab this. All right, okay, we have Open Web Analytics 1.73 and it's located somewhere in here. So that's our information we've gathered. So the next thing to do is to search exploit and web. And why is the name so long? Let's go to this one and maybe just do a quick Google search on this one. And the first thing we get is like a couple of CVEs with remote code execution. Fantastic. Open Web Analytics before 1.7.4 allows an authenticated remote attacker, that's us, by the way, to obtain sensitive user information which can be used to gain admin privileges by leveraging cache hash. This occurs because files Okay, start MSF console. Okay, so it's already ready-made for us in an MSF console thing, so we don't even have to think about it. So this hack is gonna go on autopilot. Famous words spoken before tragic incidents. So let's start the MSF console so we can do some metasploit hacking like real hackers do, because all the real hackers use metasploit and never write their own scripts. So let's go with use exploit null HTTP open web analytics RCE. All right, info. What's this? Show options. I need the URL. This one. I don't want to say the name again. I said it like 5 times already. Said L host 0 and clear. Let's show options. Hey, the most important thing, said L port to for 2069. So options, show options, and here we have it for 2069. Perfect. So we check first, just because the tutorial says so. The target appears to be vulnerable. Fantastic. So let's just run it. Okay, what's happening? What did we do wrong? We have to set the deranged mode. What was it called? Let's just do a run. Disabled deranged mode. That's the first time I've ever seen thing. Okay, I mean, I could have guessed that. Oh, come on. So let's run it again. Perfect. We are on the host. We hacked into the machine. We just had to tell Metasploit that we want to destroy this machine in the worst case. All right, it's this info. So it's Linux. Where am I? ID. Come on, what's it called here? Get UID, I think, right? GUID? No, that's the session ID. UUID? No. Get UID. All right. Get www data. Let's go into home. We have ETH. Okay, we cannot see what's in ETH. I can see what's in Steven. Yes, there's a password generator. We're gonna take a look at that right now. But for now, we can log into this and maybe we can do something else. But we have already RC, so we don't really care. So everybody can read this one. Can I just download Steven password generate, and then we can take a look at it in the vessel folder. Timeout. All right, let's just. Can I CD into it instead of? Did I break it by logging in? It almost seems like that, right? I've logged in and now my connection is broken. All right, you know what? Let's try it. Get UID. Yes, something is fishy here. Let's run it again. And first couple of things I want to do is first get UID, then we do a get PIP, and then we do a PS. So we are the Apache thing. All right, I mean, the most simple thing to do would be to switch to something that's run by root with the command migrate. So what's run by root? Just weird stuff. Okay, this TTY or SSD. I doubt they will kill SSD, right? So let's do a migrate to this. Okay, we can't migrate. All right, let's go back to home, and now the password generator. And now we find out if this breaks or if it if this breaks the connection or something else breaks the connection. Okay, I have a feeling that this is gonna break the, yeah, this breaks the session. Come on. So we have a session attached tree. Was it? How sessions help? How do I reconnect to a session? I think it's an E, right? Sessions L, and then we have sessions E, number 3. All right, we're back on track. What's this? It looks like a mix of log and code, but it's called PHP, right? Yeah. No, actually, you know what? Let's go to Ola. We have a config and we get this one. And here we have it. Maybe let's do a couple of things. Hack into machine with RCE and then database info. And let's put this in. And just so for next time we know how to do this. It's with this CVE. There is QP plugin. Is it WordPress? Yeah, I think something with WordPress is running somewhere. But we're gonna take a look at database later on maybe. Also, why are we doing this all by hand? I think it's more fun, but it takes forever. Let's go into Steven's home and just drop a shell. And then we can on Python shell ty. Let's use this. Python not found. I3 exit. Where am I? Nothing's working anymore. Yes. Okay, this is highly suck. Okay, let's type in bash spawn. I hope this works. Yes, okay. By the way, if you want to support the channel and you aren't a member yet, feel free to join the membership or Patreon and you get access to all the live stream recordings. All right, but in here we have this password generator. Password. Okay, this looks like something I don't want to see. And I guess I broke the shell again. Thank you. Let's terminate this. Okay. How the hell are we supposed to access anything when the shell always dies? Maybe set payload to something else. I mean, first of all, we will run this and then we wait. Perfect. We are back into it. Maybe we get this one, that payload, and run this. Okay, so this doesn't work. So we now have to find out which type of shell we had. Okay, so it's meant to PHP Linux. Set payload interpreter. What's with the autocomplete today? Something like that? No. Okay, so apparently I've just completely killed this entire thing. So you have to make it work. Sessions. Yeah, come on. Session interact number 4. Okay, how am I not gone farther than this? What's it called? Exploit suggest. I have to open up my cheat sheets real quick. All right, so it should be run post recon local exploit suggesters. Let's run this. Okay, so we have nothing in here. How do I perform a privilege escalation with this weak shell? Maybe I should check out what I have written for post-exploitation. All right, so we have another one which we can try, which is post. Can I upload stuff? Yes, so let's go from, okay, I cannot do that, huh? Home, come on, upload, and now we should be back, and then we should have tools, right? You know what, that's too, why am I doing it this stupid? So let's just go to home, let's get this, let's copy that, let's go back in here, let's do this, and then the tool we want to upload is the all reliable link piece, which we put in here. Boom, the heck is happening? Okay, upload. How does this work? Source 1 destination. All right. So first of all, let's go to /temp because we can do stuff there, right? All right. We are in /temp. And now we can do upload the entire path over here, which was this home parallel tools. Boom, boom, zack, zack. And then we have link piece. And in here is say just temp link piece. Okay, and now we dive into shell. Why did I lose like all the flags? What did I do? That doesn't make any sense. All right, so now for this, before I have to retype it 700 times, let's just type it in here. It's Python 3 and we want to bin bash. So let's get this. Let's go in here and let's get ourselves a nice shell where you see where we are, and plus x in /sh. Okay, now we should be able to execute it, right? Okay, autocomplete doesn't work, so let's just do it like this. Can't open link piece. Okay, you know what? 777, that's the way to go. Always do that. Okay, it looks like we have something going on. I mean, what we're doing is essentially very stupid, right? Because no. Come on, please work. Okay, fantastic. Now, what we do is the following. We do it at sh, and then we into an enum log, and then we can download that enum log and watch it on our local machine. Because I don't know how much data we're gonna lose with this thing. But what do we have? We have container run C. Okay, why do we need that? What is that? We are not on any cloud platform. There are a couple of things that are running as I never understand that part, but maybe we'll take a closer look down the line. So we have a couple of things that are probably susceptible to some kind of exploit. And I mean, it's going so fast. Sometimes I don't know what to do. Come on. I can't English anymore. Okay, and now we can go into Hectorbox vessel, and here we can catch the enum log, and now we see it here in all its glory, and can take our fine, sweet time with it without having to fear that the connection gets broken while we're reading what's happening. And maybe we find something interesting right from the get-go. So it doesn't look like it's the newest Linux that's on the market, but it's an LTS release, so that's fine, I guess. We have the PwnKit again. We already encountered this, so these exploits usually never work. So let's just go to the next step. I mean, we don't want to start with digging through weird processes. We usually want to get to the low-hanging fruit first. Maybe this time that would actually be the exploit that works out in the end, but I'm unsure. So we're just gonna postpone that till we are desperate. We have SSH running. Can I write SSH into the Steven thing? Users with console. We have Steven, which has a bash. We have the root user with the bash. Maybe we can eject that one. No, it's and we have MySQL server name. Okay, that's the two websites we found. Is there another website that we didn't see? Doesn't look like it. Maybe we can do something with the database stuff. We saved it to the site. There's rsynced. Why is there rsynced? Okay, it's in the example, so I'm guessing it's not an active rsync installation. But FTP. Okay, maybe that's a hint. I don't know. You never know with these challenges. Let's hope the connection is still working. All right. We have pins. What the heck is pins? All right, let's drop into shell. Let's spawn a nicer one. And let's run this command. Okay, maybe with sudo we can run it. No, we need the password. Come on. No, okay. All right, it looks like pins is not the way to go. But since we're already playing around on the server again, let me take a look at home even. Maybe we can persist a vector in here. Let's make it SSH. Okay, we cannot write. Fantastic, so we cannot do that. What's in the notes? It's from Ethan, but everybody can read it, so maybe that's an important hint. Notes is a directory. Okay, let's go into that. Notes PDF. Okay, that's something we're gonna download. Oh, okay, sometimes my genius is just frightening. All right, okay, so now we should have it locally, which we're gonna take a look at it right now. But, so we have this binary, which is weird. Let's paste it in here. Then we have this one, which apparently has a CV from 2002, and I highly doubt that this is gonna do anything for us. We have Steven's bash history. Maybe we can find something interesting there. Empty. All right, let's get this. Is it really empty? I highly doubt it, but it's telling us that it's empty, so we're gonna treat it as empty. This is just the website. If everything else fails, we'll come back to the website again. Anyways, so we're just gonna go with system level threats. We want a threat level midnight situation in here. Too much. I skipped too much. We have this password generator. But every time I try to do something with this password generator, for some reason, the whole thing crashes. Mainly, we found, what's it called? Little notes thing. How can I open the notes? Show hidden files, notes, and in here we have the PDF. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? We have a password protected PDF. What are we? 5 years old? And then we have like a password blank given to us. Characters, all characters. Nice. Oh, that's the password. I think that's the password generator that is in Steve's home. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the password generator. So I hate this kind of challenges where I have to run Windows. Why would you do that to me? And not only is it requiring me to run a Windows machine, but an Intel-based Windows machine. So I can't run it on my current device.